Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ridhi. In case you're new here, welcome. And today I am doing a tutorial on how to achieve these messy, wavy hairstyle. So I did this hairstyle in my 2020 makeup favorites video, and a lot of you guys seem to love it, and also some of you did ask me on how I achieved this look. So I thought, why not make a video on this? Before getting into the video, please consider subscribing if you haven't already, because I ordered some makeup from Colourpop, which has finally arrived, which is for a giveaway when I will have 1,000 subscribers. Right now I have 680, so subscribe if you haven't already to be a part of this giveaway and to be a part of my family and to help me achieve my goals. So without any further ado, let's get to the video. So as you guys can tell that I've just washed my hair. For the shampoo, I use the Nykaa Naturals Onion and Fenugreek shampoo and its coordinating conditioner. So these I've actually used for the first time. I recently received them from Nykaa. So they are paraben free, SLS free, cruelty free and 100% natural actives, which I mean, great for our hair. Now, I was a little concerned about these because usually the paraben free and sulfate free shampoos do not do the best job at like really cleansing and foaming up. But let me tell you, I didn't expect it for this shampoo to foam up and to lather up as it did. Like I really felt cleansing, which is just so good for a paraben and sulfate free shampoo. They also have like another sort of shampoo and conditioner. This is what I received. This is what I've used. Maybe I will check the other one out as well because I'm really loving these. And I do keep changing my shampoo and conditioner. Then I use the L'Oreal Extraordinary Oil Serum as my leave-in conditioner for a little bit of smoothness, for a little bit of shine. I usually let my hair air dry. I do not blow dry a lot much because see, I don't get out of my house very much. I'm pretty much a homebody, so I don't really need to blow dry. I just usually blow dry on the days that I really need to get out. The difference in air dry and blow dry is with blow drying you can also like infuse some volume in your hair, which is not really possible with air drying. So what I'm gonna do now is to blow dry my hair. The blow dry that I'm gonna use is the Babyliss Express 2200. As you guys can tell, it's a really old baby. Like the label has completely rubbed off, but best blow dry in my opinion. It just takes me like 5 minutes maximum to like completely dry my hair. Also considering my hair are pretty thin and I don't have a lot of volume, but still it's a pretty oh my god, but still it's a pretty dang it amazing blow dry. If I can find it anywhere, I will link it down in the description bar below. Okay, so as you guys saw, I'm not really precise on how I blow dry my hair. I'm pretty rough with it. I just need my work to be done. Maybe because as you guys can see, I like pretty much have naturally straight hair, so they just dry out straight. Also, why I love this hair dryer so much is that it has 3 settings, but it also has like a cool setting, like a cool shot. You need that if you want your hair to be very soft after blow dry. Get a hair dryer with a cool setting. So to achieve those sort of waves, yes, you can use a curling iron, but that's like a lot of efforts. And as I told you guys, I don't like to put in a lot of efforts with my hair. I'm pretty easy peasy. So what I use is a triple barrel waving iron. This one is by Just Being Funged, and this is how it looks. So basically it has 3 curling irons in one, and all that you really need to do is to like clamp your hair between the barrel, but it's not that easy. Even this had a learning curve, which I'm gonna show you guys, okay? Before I start waving my hair, what I'm gonna do is to use the L'Oreal Paris Elnett Satin Hairspray. Since my hair are so like naturally straight and soft, my hair do not really hold up onto hairstyle. So this is the trick that I learned from 𝕗𝕣𝕚𝕚𝕚. She shared using the hairspray before as well as after your hairstyle makes a lot of difference on making your hairstyles or curls to last longer. So I start from the bottom of my hair and I sort of move up. Anyway, I'm gonna brush that through. What I love about the L'Oreal Elnett is that even though it's really strong hairspray, it does not make my hair like crunchy. Suppose if I was like to curl my hair, I would have to like partition these out as well. But since the barrel is like so wide, it can take in the wide section, which makes your process really easy, you know. So this is what you guys need to do. Hold in your hair like pretty like flat. So just sort of like clamp your hair between your fingers like so. And then just sort of like go in and clamp. I'm gonna hold it for about 20 to 30 seconds. You guys can hold it for longer as well if you guys want more stronger waves. Now what I'm gonna do is to move down and reclamp the bottom part. It just sort of lays naturally actually. Move down. See how that barrel is like fitted itself in and clamp. And something like that. See, it looks very natural as well. They're gonna like loosen up a bit as well, and yeah, they'll look just fine. See, once you do it, you just really get like a hang of it. Hold your hair in flat, take in your barrel and clamp for about 20 to 30. Move 2 steps down. Also, I wanted to tell you guys something that when you come to the top of your hair, just make sure that your barrel is sort of placed this way. I don't know if that makes sense. Like sort of like 2 barrels should be on top and 1 should be on bottom. This way you do not create the kink in your hair, which is a usual issue. I sort of accidentally hold my barrel in for too long with sort of like the bottom parts. So you can see how like curly and how like waved they are in comparison to the top bit. I like more sort of like softer waves, but yeah, if you want to achieve sort of like really strong waves, hold in your barrel for longer and you will achieve these sort of waves. I think that I can't explain it verbally, but just see how where like my barrel is facing. So basically 2 tongs on top instead of bottom. Like a window to my third eye. Also, make sure that when you are waving, you're not like pulling your hair way too down, because that way you will sort of like loosen up the waves. So just sort of hold it a little like towards the root. You're the most beautiful blue sky, blue sky. If I was to say it, it just wouldn't do it. If I was to show you, baby, oh, oh, oh. Follow you, follow, not follow. I don't like to hold it for too long on the top of my head, because that like really creates quite a lot of like kinky, and you know, that just does not look good. See, like this, I'm really able to see the straight parts. It happens with me pretty often.
Lift me to the sky. If I was to say it, it just wouldn't do it. If I was to say it, baby, follow you.
Okay, so I'm done waving my hair. Look at the volume it gives to my head. Amazing. So once more, I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Elnet to like fix in, you know, little waves. And once I like spray, I like to like crunch my hair up. And the another thing that I really love to do is to use the Wash of Professionals Oasis Plus Sparkler. So this is basically a shine spray. So you gotta be a little bit careful with it. Shake it really well and spray it from like far away. And try to like move your hand evenly and fastly. I hope you guys can see the difference. It's really massive. This side I have sprayed with the shine spray, and this side I have not. And that's a huge amount of difference. Like this side my hair just looks so healthy, you know. And even this sort of have like a light control, like a light hold, so this won't weigh down your hair. Usually people tend to use a little bit of serum at the end. I think that serum or any sort of like oil really weighs down your hair and sort of like opens up my waves. There you go. So this is how my waves look, you know, pretty natural looking. Yeah, this is how I keep most of the time the front bits sort of tucked behind my ear, and then these sort of come in front. See, again, I was really messy, but basically this is what I did in that video. It always just turns out a little bit different, but nevertheless it just looks very pretty each time. So yeah, basically this is how I did my hair in that video. Like this video if you loved the hair tutorial, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, comment down below your favorite hairstyle, or if there is any particular hairstyle that you guys would love to see on me. And that's it for today, guys. I will see you all next time. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye.